be part of this mock, they can name themselves. They can send me a chat. I will call one after another. So before that, let me assure you that the real interview in Bank of India is done. I think you people have discussed with this Bank of India people, those who have appeared, our friends. Many of you are also appearing in both Bank of India and in PNB. These questions are being asked in our expected lines. So there is no deviation required from our preparation strategy. This is as expected. These questions are largely asked on the expected from the expected questions that I have enrolled for you. So we don't need to deviate from that. See, these interviews are going to be on lines of basic. They will not ask you questions from pro level. So you have to be prepared. You have to stick to the basics of credit management, risk, or treasury management. Whichever post you are applying, you have to stick to the basics. Okay. There is no deviation required from the preparation strategy. Work a little bit on why you want to join. How if you have left your last job all of a sudden, why you have left it, and try to make a conclusion, or try to establish a relation between your current job profile and the expected job profile. This is it you have to do, and sit relaxed, stay relaxed. Questions will be asked only at basic or little moderate level. Okay, no top questions will be asked to you, so don't worry about it. You have to prepare on basic lines. Okay. And the other thing that I must tell you, there is no exact candidate they are searching are available right now. So they have last year they didn't get enough students for this. So this year they have modified their requirement criteria, and they are looking people with basic understanding of the job role. Okay, they will ask you, do you know where you joining? What is the salary of this profile? Can you cope up with it? Will you not leave your current organization? I was asking somebody last time that if you left this organization, this PSB, what is the guarantee that you are not going to leave Indian Bank of India? The same question is asked. I think it is asked to Nasreen or to someone else. The same question is asked to Jacob. Last time I have interviewed in my first session. So he was not able to tell about credit management. So from that session to his third mock, he was a little bit confident, and all the questions were asked to him directly at basic levels, and from the PDF, from the list of questions I have given, except one, he answered all. One is MSME. MSME was also there. We have discussed. Nasrin was the one who started discussion about MSME criteria, and that was he all of a sudden forgot the definitions of MSME, new definition of MSME, but more or less his interview was good. Okay, so there is nothing to worry, not to prepare hard, not to prepare big concepts. Last minute I have told him to prepare some concepts of balance sheet items. He prepared it, they have asked it. I knew what is the favorite question of credit managers in India. They asked it, and they also asked it, and he got it answered. Okay, so that's why I am very much interested to decide the flow of your interview. That's why I told you have basic reading of these materials, so that we will decide the flow. What could be the next question out of your answer? I am working on that part. Okay, so let's begin. I will start with Shakti. Everybody else can put your Shakti. You are going to appear for which post?
Yes, sir.
Credit or
Sir,
for
credit manager scale 2, sir.
Scale 2 credit manager. Okay.
Yes,
Come on the screen. Yes, you are there. So Shakti, kindly tell me something about credit management. Why it is necessary for the banks? Why an effective credit management is necessary for the banks?
sir, credit management is heart and soul of banking, sir. Since it is a profitable organization,
Hmm.
we lend money to needy people. Once we should know the correctly. I could not tell clearly.
So you have to work on this. Everybody must work on why credit management required in banks. Anyone preparing for credit management must try to answer this question. This is directly linked to bank's profitability. This is the bank's core job. Okay, as per Banking Regulation Act, the main core job role of a bank is to accept deposits and to lend money. Why to lend money? Because it is a commitment they have given to their depositors that they will return money in time with interest. Okay, to honor that commitment, banks are to earn. The basic job of the bank has to earn. Okay, bank is not a charitable trust. They have to earn at any cost. Why? By earning, also by earning them for themselves, banks also do some social service, like they provide interest to the marginal depositors. That is also necessary. Okay, the small investors are getting interest only because banks are making profit. So banks also make profit for the social interest, for the benefit of the people. Banks earn money. Okay, so if someone is doing any harm to bank or due to some act of some certain individual, if banks are losing money, that means they are certainly working against the public of India. That's why the promoter of Yes Bank was sentenced, right? So he could say this was my bank. Whatever I have done, I am my own. I am king at my own organization. Who are you to prosecute me? But this is not the case, because the marginal depositors, those who deposit money in a bank, do it for the benefit, for their income, for the interest income. So it is the duty of a bank to provide them a steady interest income. So in case you play with it, you play with the public of India, right? So banks need to generate profit. So to generate profit, banks needs to lend money and earn interest out of it. Okay, and effective credit management is also required, that that money should not slip into NPA. Okay, and the biggest roadblock of any economy is non-performing assets, right? Okay, so okay, I was also asking a question that was there. What is end-to-end loan life cycle management, credit life cycle management? Abhi, you just put off your video for a few minutes. After Sakti, I will come to you, so that two of us will be on screen.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, just work on all these things, right?
Okay.
Yeah. If you are going for SBI CBO, if SBI CBO interview you will be qualifying, my best wishes to you for that. Then you can put more emphasis on branch banking. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
you have to modify. That is why you are enrolled to my batch. I want you to modify.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next, I will go with Edwin. Yes. Edwin, can I find you? Edwin, can I find you on the screens? Yes, Edwin.
Hi,
How are you? Yes. How are you, Edwin?
Hi, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
This is not an opportunity. This is just a conversation. I want to converse with you. You have to take this as lightly as you are sitting in an interview board. Okay.
Right. Thank you.
Sitting in an interview board should be a light manner for you.
Yeah.
You should also take them lightly. If you take them seriously, you are not going to be selected. Sakti, kindly off your video so that we both will be on screen. Yes, thank you, Sakti, for understanding us. Okay, no issue. What I was saying is you have to take them lightly. This is the key to success.
Right. Thank you.
I'll
do.
Yeah. That's why I said you should talk to me lightly as you will talk to an interview board. So talking to me, I wanted to tell you that talking to me should be more lighter than talking to me. Talking to them should be more lighter than talking to me. Okay.
Right. Because this is the first time I'm doing a online this thing. So that's why it's a little. I don't know how it's conveyed to you. That's why. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So Edwin, kindly introduce yourself.
So I'm Edwin K. Jason.
I know you are Edwin. Okay, don't repeat. Once I have repeated your name, or the interviewer has repeated your name, no need, sir. I am a 2015 batch graduate, or I have done my graduation from this. You can start with this. Okay, this will be more professional in manner. Once somebody knows about your name, don't repeat it. Okay.
Right. Yeah. So presently, I'm working with Kotak Mahindra Bank under Home Loan Department as a credit manager. since 1.5 years and having an experience of 2.5 years. I've done my MBA from Christ University, Bangalore. 2018 passed out. Even I've done an internship in Forex management.
So yeah, internship in Forex management. Okay.
Yeah.
So okay. Today I will rectify everybody in between. Okay. So that's why it will be a more conversation type. We'll not do exact mock at this stage because we have time for PNB mock. So I will try to rectify you in between so that I will not forget and you will also get it rectified, right? So I noted from this answer what question I must ask you next. I noted that one. Okay. So, but the thing is that I know you are working in Forex. You told this, but you told it in last. So list out the things that is priority for you. The interviewer to listen, which you want. It's important the interviewer to listen, and by listening this only, they will select you. If there is something.
Right. So do I need to mention this credit? Actually, credit for that they want me to ask. But
so if I have a similar experience like you, okay. If I would have similar experience like you. If I would have been sitting in PNB interview, once they will ask me, kindly introduce yourself. What I will tell them, sir, I am a home loan credit manager currently working with Kotak Mahindra Bank. The first word that I will utter is, I'm a home loan credit manager, or I am a credit manager working in the home loans department of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Okay. This one is going to be the catchy point in your entire introduction, right?
So you mean to say that I don't have to mention that Forex department I've done internship?
Yes, you have mentioned it. You have to highlight this because you have multiple experiences. You prioritize what your interviewer would love to listen from from your profile. If you have done certified credit professional, this is going to help you in your selection. Though it is mentioned in their CV, they will find out, but maybe there is one person in the interview board who has checked it. Others may have skipped it. Okay. So sometimes when I go for the interview, the person who is in front of me, who is leading the board, he asks, "Acha, you have qualified CIIB." The other one asks, "Okay, this person has also qualified CIIB." What does that mean? Because the other person doesn't know that I have qualified CIIB. I don't go to the interview. I also mark how the things are being unfolded in an interview board. Okay, that's why I'm able to take the exact interview. So this is the thing. In the first part of your introduction, in the first 10 seconds, you try to make them listen what is going to be the key of your selection. This is what I want from your side, right? So you mentioned me credit manager. This is the first thing you have to mention. You have Forex experience. What is your qualification?
MBA.
MBA in?
MBA in finance.
MBA finance.
Yeah, correct.
MBA finance. So how many years of experience as credit manager?
1.5 years.
So what you have to prepare now is you have to prepare small things, and small things make big differences in banking interview. Okay. Small things make a big difference in banking interview, and they always ask you small things. Take it easy. Those who are thinking that you are going to appear in a specialist officer exam and you will be grilled, there will be heavy questions on credit management. Why so? What are these? No, they are going to ask you.
I feel like that.
Okay, they are going to go and ask these Bank of India people today, those who have appeared. Maybe they will not reveal everything today, but once all the Bank of India exam is concluded, ask them. I will also take their mock, take their interview. No mock, take their interview. How was the session? How much I was able to communicate properly or not? Okay. So yes, this is it. Okay. So yes. So what do you do in home loans?
So my profile is basic credit appraisal.
So that's it. Okay, I will take your mock again. No issue.
Sure.
So I think you are on right track. And this is going to be the key of your selection.
Okay.
Prepare something about home loans, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, small scale of home loans. Okay.
Okay.
That home loan up to 25 lakhs. What they will ask you such questions. Okay. Government enrolled schemes regarding home loans. Okay. Yeah. Abhishek Pandey, come on screen before I bid farewell to Edwin. Please come in. After Abhishek,
Yes,
who has raised these? Ahmad has raised. I think Dadapir is also there. Yes, Abhishek's network fluctuates, so I will not take any risk. Now it seems to be good. I will take the mock with Abhishek. Next, anyone who is ready can send a message to me.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Yes, Abhishek, you can connect with me on audio.
Yeah. So this side Abhishek, sir.
Yes. No issue.
Yeah.
You got it disconnected. So have you checked the questions
So
that I have?
actually, sir, you. No, sir. I didn't get time to check your questions, sir, today. But definitely tomorrow being Sunday, I will definitely check, sir.
So not only check, try to get answers in your own language. Okay. Try to get the answers in your own language. That will be better. Write down the answers in simplified manner. Okay. The more simple you will be, the more chance you will get for the selection. Don't use any word that you don't know and that you will be bad at explaining. Right. Every single word you are going to use for your first question is going to be crucial for your next question. That may decide the flow of the interview. Right. See, once when this interviewer board will come to ask you questions, he will ask questions from his mind or from his diary. He will note down few questions before coming to the interview board. He will note down some of his favorite questions and he will ask that one. Okay, he will ask that one. So, but most of the questions is going to take birth from your first question. So, if you will be asked what is treasury management, don't use the words that you are not good at. Okay. So let's start. Let's start. You prepare all of this tomorrow. I will be rectifying it. There are, I think, 30 around questions I have released in treasury part. So you check it. Okay. So yes, sir. If possible, please, sir, ask BOI candidates their interview. Yes, I have taken personally the information about BOI interview. As it is a competitive exam, most of their competitors in BOI are yet to take up the mark. So we are not revealing the exact questions. But remember, whatever I am telling you, okay. So whatever necessary to read, I will give you wherever you have done, because the questions I have enlisted for you are going to be crucial for the interview. Okay, they are the basic questions, but it is often asked in treasury interviews. Okay, the questions that I have prepared in line with the questions that are being asked in treasury exams. Okay, so I have taken the cognizance of treasury managers in a big bank, so don't worry about it. So I don't arbitrarily put any question. That's why most of the questions are being accurate. So we speak questions. Okay, because CRR, SLR, repo, reverse repo are the part of treasury itself. Okay, so they will be asking you anything on earth, not only treasury management, merchant banking, to everything they are going to ask. Yes, Abhishek. So kindly allow, yes, we'll start it and you just find out the questions, that they are basic questions, and prepare on that only. Stick to the basics. My advice is to you, stick to the basics.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. So can you tell me the role of a treasury? Yeah. So role of a treasury in bank, or the enhanced role of treasury department in current banking scenario?
So, sir, the role of the Treasury Department is a very important.
Yes, go ahead.
Hello?
Go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Sir, my network is creating a lot of problems. So.
Yeah, no issue. But you try. Yes. I am patient enough to handle all these network
Sir, what I was saying. So treasury has a very important role to play when it comes to investment. So treasury is all about arranging money and
No,
making
then
sure
what I'm
that it is
asking, what I'm
investment
asking,
into the
yes, yes,
market.
yes, yes, I'm getting it. But what is the main question? What I'm asking, what I'm trying to ask you is the role of treasury has changed over time. Role of treasury has changed over time.
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, the treasury is playing more
Yes,
important
sir.
role in banks' profitability than it was playing in earlier times. So,
Yes.
what was that enhanced role? I want to
Yeah. So
know.
initially, so hello.
Go ahead, go ahead.
So initially, sir, what used to happen that all the investment kind of thing used to be looked after by the front office guys. Those who were the fund managers, they used to invest into the market, and there were few instances wherein the investment was not in line with the regulatory guidelines that has been set by the RBI and other regulators and SEBI and all. So to overcome those things, the treasury role of the treasury department has been enhanced, wherein someone has to be there along with the front office who can keep a check that whatever investments are happening in the market, that is in line with the guidelines issued by the RBI and the SEBI other regulators
So,
are
okay,
not.
okay. So you just mentioned about front office. What is that front office? Is there a back
So
office as
front
well?
office.
So talk about the counter
Right, sir.
question. Okay, you talk about just the instruments of the treasury. So, man, what are the reserve requirements of the bank? So do the reserve requirements has any impact on bank's profitability part?
Yeah. Regarding the reserve requirements, whenever there is there has been instances in the past wherein a few of the banks who could not manage their funds into the market and that went bankrupt. When it comes to returning money to the investors, they don't have enough money to pay it on the right time. So this reserve requirement guidelines were set so as to keep a check on the banks, how they function, and whenever the right time comes, so they
You are
can return
elaborating a
back
lot.
the money.
You are elaborating a lot. It's a simple thing. The reserve requirement has a direct impact on bank's liquidity part. As there is less liquidity when there is a high reserve requirements and there is less liquidity in hand, bank can have limited avenues to invest or to lend.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so that drags the profitability. Okay, so whatever you said, they are asking the same. Thank you, Nasreen. The same is Bank of India candidate Nasreen is just confirming us again in chat that whatever we have told that is being asked. So stick to the questions that I am asking to you. Stick to the materials that I am providing. No more new materials need to be required. Whatever I am telling you, just prepare it in your own language so that you will be fluent at it. Dadapir, open your audio so that we will start chatting with you.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. No, you are preparing for credit.
No, sir, risk.
You are preparing for risk. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, Dadapir, kindly introduce yourself.
Sir, this is Dadapir from Balkot district, Karnataka. I have done my BSc degree in Balkot only. That is my hometown. And apart from my graduate, I have done my MBA degree in KL University, Hubli. And after that, I joined to Axis Bank for a period of 2 years, 3 months as assistant manager. So this is a small introduction.
So what have you done in Axis Bank?
Assistant manager, sir. Branch operation.
Branch operations. You have looked into the operations part.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are into branch inside a branch. You are working in a branch, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what type of risk you can face in a branch?
Majorly operational work.
What type of risk you can face in a branch banking or in your that job role? Are you currently employed?
No, sir. No, I am not working. Past 1 year, I am not working.
Okay, no issues. what have you done? What type of risks you may face while doing operations in a branch?
I don't have that much idea.
You have worked in a branch. Don't you feel that there is any risk in working in a branch?
Operational risk.
Major thing is customer satisfaction.
No, that is not a risk. If customer will not be satisfied, he will angry on you.
Operational risk, market risk, operational risk, banking, taka account.
No prompt. Who is prompting? Who is prompting Dadapir? No prompt. You can prompt him after the session. No issues.
Somebody else doing.
Okay.
Don't have idea about that.
Okay. So don't have idea. Don't you know what type of risks are there in banking? So Ahmad, kindly introduce yourself. Where are you working currently?
Sir, I am Adil Ahmed and I come from Hyderabad. I have a work experience in mutual fund business. I worked for a leading mutual fund company for 2 years till April 2020.
So do you have any credit experience?
Sir, not a straightforward credit experience, but since I worked in a mutual fund industry, I have the know-how of meeting a client and understanding his needs qualitatively.
Okay.
And I'm aware, right? And I'm sorry,
not always. Credit management is not always sourcing a loan application. So what are the idea you have about credit appraisal of a loan application?
So credit appraisal in a sense would be taking the necessary documents from the client and then checking the documents along with his credit history, whether the client is capable enough.
So how to check a credit history? How to check credit history?
So credit history, majorly for individuals, we try to go to CIBIL and get their CIBIL score. And for corporate entities, we try to...
Is the CIBIL only one entity where can we check the score?
For individuals?
Yes.
Yes, sir, I believe. CIBIL is the most popular CIC. I believe there is Experian and Highmark as well.
Okay.
Right.
So how many of them are approved by Reserve Bank? How many credit information come?
These three, as far as I understand, these three are the ones I'm familiar with.
So,
I'm not really sure.
So what is the criteria of CIBIL? How much of scores are treated as good score in a CIBIL form, in a CIBIL report?
So normally, I believe a score of 700 and above is treated as fine, and 600 to 700 probably a little more cross-checking is required.
Is there a uniform standard for all banks, or do different banks appraise in different ways?
So I do not know exactly that, but
how these loan applications in banks are being processed?
So the frontline employee will first of all source the loan application. Sir, I was also struggling. How do I justify? Why do I want to move from mutual fund to credit? I could tell
you have applied for scale 2 or scale 1 credit. Prepare it because it is expected. That's why I'm taking the mock. I know that how the flow is going to happen. Check in Bank of India. Whatever I discussed, Nasrin was just confirming here. Whatever I am discussing here, the interview is going to happen in similar flow. I'm not focusing on the question part. I'm focusing on the flow part. It is obvious that you are going to be asked on mutual funds. Okay.
Oh, right.
So you have to mention it. It is going to be an added advantage for you, and that's why I'm focusing on that part. Okay. So you just you don't worry about it. Because you are going to be asked basic credit questions.
Okay.
The way I asked Edwin, you are not going to be asked. You are going to be asked the basic credit questions. Why? No, nothing to afraid. That's why I'm taking the mock. You have to be as light as interview board with me, because that one should be lighter one. You should be a bit serious with me, but you should be lighter with them. They are not your relatives. Okay, you are not going to leave any impression with them. They will not give their daughters to you. Don't worry. Okay.
Got it.
There is a job. You already have one. You are going to get so many in your life. If you deserve, you are going to get a job. Okay.
Got it,
You are not going to the father of your girlfriend.
Got it.
If
Understood,
you will
sir.
not impress him, he will reject the proposal. So don't worry about it. Relax.
Got it, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There you should worry. Here you should not worry. Finally, it is a job.
Okay.
You will prove yourself worthy enough your life. So many jobs will follow. Okay. People are quitting job to create, to become entrepreneurs. So don't worry about jobs. Okay. There is no need to be so lengthy. You can just tell that there was some issues in terms of career growth. So I try to be part of
Okay.
public sector banking. Hence, I am started preparing for public sector banks. I'm preparing banking for this reason. Okay.
Okay.
So you can mention that. Okay.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Okay. So best of luck for your interview. In case you have
Thank
any
you,
doubt,
sir.
those who are having their interviews on Monday, in case you have any issues, connect me tomorrow morning. Okay. I will be resolving
sure,
your
sir.
queries one-to-one on phone. So don't worry. You don't panic about interviews. They are normally the conversation. The way we are conversing, it is similarly like that. And this time you are going to face them on a mobile screen. So think that it is you are having a video call with someone, one of your friend or few of your friends together. Okay.
True.
Take them
Okay.
lightly. Take them lightly. They are not animals. Okay. Take them lightly.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Yeah, sir. Sir,
They-
I have
so-
a couple of
so
doubts.
many-
I will
so many-
contact
so
you
many-
tomorrow
so-
morning.
Yeah, you can contact me. So many of them are my friends. So there is no need. You can be as friendly as you are with me. Okay.
Sure, sir. Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you,
Because
sir. Thanks a
someone
lot.
has just confirmed me today that he was looking into our mock. I will not name. In today's interview, one of them was from my sessions that he has recognized. He was not in the interview board. He was in the one of the zonal offices. He recognized.
Oh,
So don't worry.
okay.
Some of them will be ours only. So don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay. Don't
Okay,
worry.
sir. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Thank you.